everyone. Today we are at OATS Street for more airport line new bus service videos with the old dot matrix displays up there. Oh, sorry. Beautiful. Love looking at those. And train replacement bus stops. Now, there is only one route that I need to come here for, which is the new Route 37, which goes from here to Airport Terminal 2 or Airport Central Station, whatever you want to call it. Now, this route is actually rather pointless. Well, not pointless, it's okay because you can connect from the south to the airport without going through the city. But the frequency is so bad, it's like every half an hour, and it only runs on weekdays. And I don't think that it's a very good idea that tourists from the airport have to come to OATS Street, because it's not exactly a good place. And the final bad thing, it's run by gas buses. I don't know why they couldn't use the airport lucky truck buses, but it's run by gas buses like that one, which is coming in right now. Look, that's the one with the weird seats at the back. 102, a small little gas bus with the terrible front seats. How is that meant for airport passengers? So yeah, here's the stand where it comes from now, and here it does say Airport Central Station and then /T1, T2, but it doesn't actually go to T Terminal 1. They removed that stop for some reason. And you can see the frequency, and there's just a few 285 services like 3 times a day. The rest is 37 on there, not even a weekend service though. So here it is, number 102. So we'll get on this bus now and film all the way to Airport Central. And here we are. Oh, Airport Central Station. I just filmed these bus stops recently in my Airport Central video, which you can watch in the corner. So this is now Route 37, terminating here. My comments for this route, as I said before, frequency is very bad. It's like hourly, even on weekdays in the middle of the day. So bad. Running these buses that my legs are absolutely killing me from sitting with the leg room that I showed you before in there. That is so bad. And then there's hardly any space for your luggage anyway. Oh, Airport Central Station, billion times better taking the train. That bus is, and it's so slow as well because it turns away to serve Belmont Shopping Center. So, oh my god, is it slow. And why did they name it 37? Couldn't they just keep the old 380 like airport themed? Because 380 is like Airbus A380, that's why it was 380. You could have just changed it to this. Although I guess you can just say it's now like 737, 37, you know, and like both ways anyway. And also it's so annoying because with the introduction of this route we would have all routes which start with 3, like 30 is Perth Passport to somewhere south, I don't know exactly where, and 31 to Slater Point from Perth Passport, 32 to Como from Elizabeth Quay Bus Station, 33 to Curtin Central Bus Station from Elizabeth Quay Bus Station, 34 to Cannington Station from Perth Passport, 35 Old Mill South Perth from Elizabeth Quay, 36 was the Elizabeth Quay to Midland but was removed with the airport line opening, and now 37 is this one, and then 38 is Elizabeth Quay to Cloverdale, although it's changed to Perth Passport after airport line opening, and 39 is Elizabeth Quay to Redcliffe Station now. So we would have all the 30s if it weren't for 36 being removed, but I still disagree with this being named 37, although I can't believe what a bad route. Like, it should definitely run on weekends. And so echoey in here. Yeah, it should definitely run on weekends and have a higher frequency on weekdays and be run by much better buses. Although I did see TP2182, a normal Optimus on it, but really Volvo buses at least. So bad. Anyway, now I'm finally back at Airport Central. New train line, so much better. And I'll film some more routes, but that'll be in other videos. Maybe I can put in this one. I'm gonna go to High Wycombe to film some routes. So yeah, let's do that. Although before we do that, let's walk to the end of the Sky Bridge and film the 37 passing by, because this is like a big circle here, just like the 380 used to do. It's like a big circle, so you can go all the way around. So upon entry to the, what the hell is this wave sound playing on the speakers? What is this? So stupid. Yeah, so when you enter, you just come straight in, like over there, turns around and comes there. But then on exit it goes all the way around, all the way around, all the way around to there, and back out. And it actually takes a different path out. 380 went straight into Leach Highway, but this one actually goes via the commercial industrial district. So yeah, we're just gonna capture the 37 coming around the loop. Although that stop over there where I got off, that is the stop for the Terminal 2. Also for the 380, that used to be where it terminates for the Terminal 2. But then it also had another stop right here at Terminal 1, which I think it's a more main terminal. I mean, yeah, definitely, the Skybridge leads to there. But for some reason, they removed the the Terminal 1 stop, which I have no idea why they would do that, because now everyone has to walk all the way down there to the Terminal 2 stop. And as you can see, I'm walking, this is how long it takes to walk to the Terminal 1 stop, what I'm doing right now, all the way across there, through the Skybridge, down to the end, and then down to the Terminal 1 stop, which is just underneath here. What is this? Crickets, waves, and voices, so random. And also, as you can see, Airport Central, less than a fortnight after opening, empty. Unbelievable. Meanwhile, I just saw the international car park bus with four buses worth of absolutely full people to get to the car parks using their cars. Okay, I see one passenger. So, let's see the 37 come past. Oh no, it's gonna leave right now actually. Yeah, it's coming right now. Actually, this is a good viewing spot. Oops. Let me fix it. There we go. You can actually view it from up here. Perfect timing to see it. Yeah, this is a good viewing spot. So you can see it down there. I also did film it leaving the stop in the Airport Central video. Also a bad gas pass just like this one. Here it is, you can see it from the top. 0102. And you can see it past there. Right here, that one, that was the Terminal 1 stop where the 380 used to go. Now it's just blanked off. Actually, yeah, they put like tape over the thing that said 380 because it was still shining there a few days after opening. And those are for the long-term car park. So you can see now going around the loop and back to OATS Street. And I think the driver just goes up and down all day as well. So, not a very nice route to drive. Yep, I'm gonna catch a train now. So back I go. Airport Central with the longest escalator. I just saw two people trying to get into the staff-only ground entrance. I don't know why there's like no sign pointing you to the correct entrance, although I don't know why they were there, because if you just came from the airport, why would you be in the middle of the car park? They got a bit lost, but I helped them. Now we're here. Empty atrium in here. Also, like, what's the point of these escalators? Because anyone who's using this station is gonna have luggage, except like airport workers, but surely it's not gonna be that many airport workers, so like 3 escalators? It's rather unnecessary. Oh no, I just missed the High Wycombe train. No, now I'm gonna miss the 278. Damn. Well, let's go down anyway. I know I filmed all of this in the Airport Central video, but those videos are more like, I don't know, official, I guess. This is more of a casual video. So we're just gonna look around casually. Not with the official voiceover where I plan everything I'm gonna say pretty much. Here I'm just doing it on the spot. Oh, the ads. Oh, look. New ads. Did they finally realize? Oh no, they didn't. Banquest. Yeah, the ads are actually still playing. And the whole world. ECU. Oh, there's actually some new ones. Okay, let's just do a full-on montage. Like video watching the ads. Rottenness. Okay, that's a new one. Seriously, the sounds of the original ads are gonna remain in my head forever as Airport Line ads. What's this? Something random. Let's play Guess the Ads with Transport of Perth. Basically. There's finally some new ones and the audio keeps going on and off for some reason, but it's for some school or something. Not sponsored, by the way. This is just me filming what's at the station, nothing more. Yeah, it said Perth College, the ad. Oh, continues for change. Don't feed the Phil. ECU. There is where you are, and there is where you want to get to. ECU is the bridge between your world and the whole world. Oh my god. Ooh. Transfer. Dave the Domino. Oh my god, what the hell is this? Wow. Sure, that's gonna happen if someone brings luggage in the escalator. Another Rottenstad. That's enough. Highway trains coming in now. The announcements will say Perth passengers, Claremont passengers, one after the other. Or other way around, yeah. Not very cool. Oh, Bankwest. Oh, it's all the same stuff. Have enough of this. Okay, the Claremont train's actually coming in now. We can watch that. Nah. We're just gonna watch this one, nothing more, because I filmed this in Airport Central video and I'm extending this video to a very unnecessary length now. So, after this train, we're gonna stop the video. The screens actually, they turn off when a train comes in, which is something I haven't seen before. I guess it's to not distract the driver. 118. Still not understanding it's 3 car. Okay, High Wycombe train's here too. Let's get on that. Oh, the rumbling. Exactly. I like how they come here at the same time. That's the end of this video.